Right, so some more industrial park adventures. There's buildings, the industrial park over there. There's actually a housing plan right here. Just right in the middle I came across this. This is a red oak tree. It's probably hard to tell. I wish I had something to mount my phone on, but from there to there, easily about 4.5 feet wide. That is impressive. That is a very, very old tree. And, again, literally just right in the middle of an industrial park. Cool stuff. Oh, and there's this neat little creek running right through here too.